There's a big box there. We're in a quiet community expansion. This is one of the nicer communities still, you know. This is Magill Palm. I wait for the big boss. Come in, bossy. Good Saturday.
Yeah man, good Saturday, you know.
Football you watch, don't you?
Yeah man, I'm gonna watch it on my new TV.
So, which team are your team?
Which team am my team?
Yeah.
Well, you know, I say really right now Argentina, but I don't watch football.
You don't watch club football?
No, I don't watch
No,
football.
okay. Argentina, so
boxing and thing.
you squeeze out one cup. Well, more them call it a tea cup because it's a big cup. So I may say a year baller then.
Yeah man, really and truly.
Alright, anyway, we have your one package for you. I don't know what it is. Pleasure delivering it to you. No, say Saturday still and me no know.
I'm there on the work, you know, so respect.
Oh, you work online?
Yeah man, work online.
Them kind of customer like, you know, work online, you make the money online and immediately spend the money.
Yeah, well, now you see me frequently.
The first time you ship with us?
First time. First time.
First time.
Just hear about it.
You're right, yeah.
I'm just start utilize the service.
Alright, cool. So since you start first package, what do you think about it for the first package?
Yeah man, I like it.
You like it?
Home delivery, I don't have to really go out.
Yeah.
When I start driving.
Yeah.
You see me?
Soon.
Yeah.
So when you buy the car, we bring things for you, you know.
See,
We can start that out for you right
I
now.
like that. I like that.
Alright, big up yourself. You say you work at the pan, so we're not
When I
keep
buy
you.
it, I bring it in for you.
Yeah man, anything, we'll fix you up man. Anything at all you want to ship in, from a pin to an anchor, we got this.
Mad thing.
Give us a call and we'll work it all out for you.
Respect.
Alright, so do your thing.
Mad thing.
Not because it's Saturday, he's on the work. We're still on the work too, you know. I have to get the thing done. I make him doing thing. A good people it look like. A good people don't. He's shaking his head. Pick up yourself. That's how it is on the delivery trail.